So thank you for having me in your space today, this morning, and just wanted to say that the Cold Spring Harbor Educational Foundation is so happy to have our first initiative. It was approved last night by the Board of Ed, and I just want to chat with you about how the process was. You submitted the grant and what your vision is for the in-house research lab.
Okay, thank you very much. So the idea, I guess, was proposed that we needed to expand our opportunities for the research students in our school. Outside opportunities are becoming fewer and farther between. There's age limitations. They have to be at least 16 years old to work outside. So we felt that we needed to do something in-house here, which gave our students an experience in real scientific research at a higher level than what we were currently able to afford them. So when the Educational Foundation became a reality, we thought it was a nice proposal to make towards them to say, could you fund this opportunity for our students in a new program? The research program is only in its third year now, so we're both in the fledgling stages of our creation here, and it seemed like it was a good match to propose this idea to the Educational Foundation.
So what exactly is involved? What sort of equipment? What is the research lab adding to the students' curriculum already?
Okay, so this idea, it's really a molecular biology lab, and it's going to revolve around a little nematode called C. elegans, which is a model organism that's used in laboratories throughout the world. This is a technology which is accessible to high school students and gives them a real heads up on what further down the road for them, either if they do go to an outside lab, go to college to study science. So the equipment that the Educational Foundation is funding is a autoclave to sterilize equipment, since everything has to be done in a very clean environment. They're also funding an incubator, since the worms need a constant temperature, and the room temperatures in the building fluctuate quite a bit, and that wouldn't be healthy for the worms. To providing a microscope for us, which is a much higher quality microscope than what we currently have here for general student use, and a few ancillary pieces of equipment that go around that, such as a water purification system. We need distilled water, clean water, etc. So, and a few other small items like that. But the main items really are the microscope, the autoclave, and the incubator to keep the worms at a constant temperature.
Where would this lab be instituted?
The physical space is going to be right next door to us in S10.5. That's our space that we have for our research program currently. It's a secure room. There's no other students that go in there. It's really just designated for the research students. So it's a nice safe
And how
place.
much will this cost?
The grant was for just shy of $16,000.
Great. I just want to say I think it really falls in line with the mission of the Educational Foundation and supporting initiatives that really enhance the quality of the schools, and very much looking forward to seeing it in action. Do you think it will be able to be done this year?
I'm hoping that it will be done sometime this spring. Again, I'm not exactly aware of the whole process of how the money is going to be transferred and the actual purchasing, but we're hoping that we can at least get some of the equipment done in place by this spring, and if not, certainly by the summer. And it's, again, we're very excited about this opportunity also for our students, that this is something that otherwise we would not have been able to get started at this point in time without the help of the Educational Foundation.
Right, so the students, for their research, they're going outside of the schools to do their research, or they're very limited in doing so, right?
Again, it depends on the age of the student and just in general the opportunities. This is many schools have research programs, and there are only a certain number of labs that are willing to take a high school student. So this really allows us in-house to elevate what our students can do here.
That sounds great. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.